When looking around your home, you might feel you want to do some refreshing, but not have enough budget to change the furniture, or you just don't want to get large pieces right now. Then you can consider these 10 items that I'm gonna talk about today. You can refresh and elevate your home without breaking the bank. All items are easy to get and you don't need DIY or special installation. Hello everyone, it's Sungeun. Welcome to Lifestyle C. If you are new here, I'm an interior designer and I create videos about poetic interior design and lifestyle. The first item is flowers. Place a vase in your kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom. I love both fresh flowers and dried flowers. They make the space feel fresh, soft, and alive. What I love about flowers is that you can experiment with different colors and combinations and find out your own style. You don't need to keep them for a long time if you don't like them. Many people are worried about maintaining plants, including me, so I prefer having a large plant in one room rather than having many small plants. In my opinion, a large plant works as a statement piece and doesn't make the space look cluttered. Plants live longer, so you need to take more responsibility, and I recommend researching properly what plant you like the most. When you feel blue or your home looks dull, try lighting some candles. They will instantly change the mood. You don't necessarily have to buy luxury scented candles. I keep at least one favorite scented candle, but just as a mood booster, even simple tea light candles are nice too. How many light sources do you have in your room? If you have only one ceiling light, it is time to add more light sources. One ceiling light can create ambience and enough brightness. I recommend at least having 3 light sources in one room. For example, for the bedroom, you can have 1 ceiling light and 2 table lamps on the bedside tables. When you choose different light sources, consider heights, see how the light spreads, and find the balance. Your eye can travel and create dimensions. Table and floor lamps are flexible to move around and you don't need installation. I can wear different colors of towels in the bathroom and kitchen. It doesn't mean that all the towels should be exactly the same, but I try to have them in one color group. Also, you can pay more attention to texture. For example, waffled textured towels look more natural and spa-like. Washing my hands has become my ritual once I get back home. It gives me a special feeling that I'm in a safe place. So I've invested a bit more money in my hand wash. Aesop hand wash has well-designed packaging and I love its aromatic scent. But depending on your personal taste, you can choose different scents, but try to avoid ugly packaging. You can buy a well-designed soap dispenser and refill it. Also, make sure you prepare soft hand towels alongside. I don't have a vast pillow cover collection, but I definitely change pillow covers when the season changes or when I need some refreshing. Try to increase the budget for your pillow covers this year. I don't recommend purchasing printed pillow covers online because they easily look cheap unless you make sure they are well designed and well printed. Go for pillow covers that are beautifully textured. You can find those pillow covers from Etsy or local designer shops. Also, you can consider having more pillows on your bed. It makes the bed cozier and you can achieve a finished look. When you feel that a certain wall looks empty but you don't want art prints, then consider mirrors. Mirrors open up the space and you don't actually feel that you have fixtures on the wall. If you don't have anything on the wall, I recommend a large scale mirror. But you can also choose a smaller mirror if there are already other wall fixtures around. You don't always need to hang mirrors on the wall, but just to lean them against the wall. Books are practical and also can be used as decor. You can select design books for the coffee table, bedside tables, or shelves. If you stack a few, it can give height to space and objects. We drink most of the time and have water all around the home. So why not make this look nicer? I love glass cups, especially not having too many crashing different styles. I used to have mismatched glassware and mugs, and it looked easily cluttered. Also, you can use simple bottles for water, juice, etc. What are your favorite items that make your home look elevated? Please let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you wanna connect with me more personally, please join the monthly newsletter. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye! When you're looking around your home, you might feel that you can consider these 10 items that I'm gonna talking about today.